Here's why the design hits differently from every floor. The ground floor low-slung, panoramic floor-to-ceiling windows that sit right at eye level with the blue waters of Dumo Pebble Beach. Perfect for a cozy, grounded sea view. The upper floor, designed around textured ambient lighting and sweeping arched windows Achachang that feel like you're standing inside a medieval watchtower looking out over the South Sea. The framing dramatic vertical glass cutouts create natural photo frames around the coast, blending raw architectural stone vibes with sleek, modern aesthetic.